BNB climbs, then retraces amid $500 million Treasury push. The token experienced a sharp rally earlier in the day, reaching a local high of $778, but a rapid sell-off followed, trimming gains made during the advance. BNB hovered near $780 after a sharp rally earlier in the day gave way to selling pressure. The cryptocurrency advanced roughly 1.3% over the past 24-hour period, with a small pullback over the last few hours. The token is now hovering around $776. Earlier in the session, a surge in trading volume pushed BNB to a local high of $778, testing resistance levels that haven't been breached in recent weeks. The move was short-lived. A rapid sell-off followed, pulling the price lower and trimming gains made during the advance, according to CoinDesk Research's technical analysis model. The move comes amid a wave of corporate adoption that recently saw CEA Industries close a $500 million private placement to further its BNB Treasury strategy. The broader context remains volatile. Investors are navigating an environment shaped by shifting trade policy and geopolitical risk, with the impact of Trump's reciprocal tariffs expected to come in force during the third quarter of the year. Within that backdrop, BNB's relatively stable performance stands out as a signal of ongoing demand, even if short-term volatility remains. CryptoQuant data shows that within the exchange token sector, BNB is a standout performance, being down 8.7% from its all-time high, compared to 35% to 60% for most other tokens. The most aggressive price movement came during a midday rally that sent the token as high as $774.94. Volume surged above 60,000 tokens during that move, a signal that larger participants may have been driving the action. That rally ran into resistance just below $780, where sellers stepped in and halted the advance. Price action at that level has historically triggered reversals, and this session was no exception. A pullback followed, with the price eventually sliding. While the drop erased a portion of the day's gains, BNB found consistent support near that level. The repeated defense of the $765, $766 zone suggests buyers are accumulating at that range. Institutional interest often shows up in this kind of layered support, where price holds despite increased volume and selling pressure. The total trading range for the session spanned $16.83, or about 2.18%. Though not extreme, this volatility highlights how quickly sentiment can flip. CoinDesk Analytics is CoinDesk's AI-powered tool that, with the help of human reporters, generates market data analysis, price movement reports, and financial content focused on cryptocurrency and blockchain markets. All content produced by CoinDesk Analytics undergoes human editing by CoinDesk's editorial team before publication. The tool synthesizes market data and information from CoinDesk data and other sources to create timely market reports, with all external sources clearly attributed within each article. CoinDesk Analytics operates under CoinDesk's AI content guidelines, which prioritize accuracy, transparency, and editorial oversight. Learn more about CoinDesk's approach to AI-generated content in our AI policy. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold.